Morning, folks. You're thinking, why are we here? Well, this is why we're here. Mr. Perfectionist has got a little bit of dust. Oh, Neil, you've left the dust. But this is where we're up to. Well, not we're up to, where Neil's up to. Look at that. I'll show you some detail. I think it's, I don't know how many coats of varnish he will say. Probably about 4, is it? I don't know. Just look at this. His workmanship is amazing. Each one of these, he sanded each hole individually by hand, which I suppose he has to. The York, is it yoke? Something they call it. Let's go underneath him. Over the top. This bloke is a pure perfectionist. Good mate as well, look at that. I think there's one more coat to go on. I don't know what is it just, I don't know what paint he, I'm not going to say what paint he used because he's the expert. He's going on the stands. He's really quite looking forward to taking this out on the water. So am I. We're going to have a bit of fun with this one. Possibly do an overnighter. Even the handles, look at them. I just thought I'd give you a very, very quick update on this, well, I'm going to call it magnificent bit of woodwork. Very nice. And that's it. That's where he's up to at the moment. Next, hopefully the water. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like. He'd appreciate that because he watches them. And yeah, surprising what you can do with a bit of ply. That's it. Take care, and we will catch you definitely in the next one, or even in this one. That would be fun. All right, all the best.